Load your family into the 2016 GMC Terrain. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a rear window wiper, a tachometer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, fully automatic headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and leather upholstery. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.